Hey there, welcome to Design Coach with Repsketch. Today, I'm going to walk you through creating a snazzy business casual outfit using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. It's like a playground for fashion sketches, thanks to our community's shared designs. Let's simplify the process into 3 easy steps. Step 1, repurpose. Begin by crafting a fresh sketch and opting for the women's body form as our design foundation. Time to tidy up. Delete unnecessary text and internal lines. Group the design elements to keep things neat and steady. From our component pane, grab the women's croquis component, ensuring a back view as well. Remove unwanted lines and add a splash of color to our croquis using our handy color tool. After some online trend scouting, I've got a business casual outfit in mind for inspiration. I'll drag an image into our workspace, enlarge it, and position it to the side. Now let's hunt for a shirt sketch in our design library. A quick search with the tags women and shirt reveals an extensive collection of vector-ready designs contributed by our community. I've chosen this women's crop shirt to serve as our silhouette. Step 2, remix. Let's kick off by sizing it up to fit the body form's torso. Unleash the magic of ungrouping and fine-tune both the front and back on the body forms. Time to do a little ungroup and edit dance to bid farewell to those unwanted backside lines along the sleeve hem. Now let's ungroup and edit the body, tweaking the neckline and layering the collar on both sides. To jazz up the shirt, let's dive into the components pane and snatch a floral pattern under graphics. Perfect. Drop it onto our workspace. I'll double it up to cover the entire shirt. Ungroup it and sprinkle the extras over the sleeves and collar. Double up again to fill the back of the shirt. Absolutely fantastic. From here on out, we're riding the wave of the first 2 steps, repurpose and remix, until our outfit is a masterpiece. Now let's dive into the design library to hunt down knee-length shorts for our ensemble. Drag it over, resize, and align it snugly on the waist. Hit ungroup to start editing. Snip away the lines we don't need and tailor the outseam to match the body, adjusting the seams accordingly. Do the same for the back. Next up, let's snag a blazer from the design library to layer on our shirt. Drag it onto the workspace, ungroup, and color match it to the rest of the outfit. Bid farewell to unnecessary internal lines. Drag the left panel onto the body form, resize it to snugly fit, and tweak the collar's layer. Utilizing the Edit Group option, let's play around with the existing sleeve, merging it seamlessly along the side seam. I'm tweaking nodes with the Add/Remove Node tool wherever required. Pull in the matching sleeve component from the sleeve section of the Components pane. Resize, ungroup, and edit it to snugly fit the body form sleeve. Once satisfied, minor tweaks to the neckline. Now duplicate the left panel and sleeve, flip them to the other side, and cap it off with some buttons. Similar resize, edit, and layering for the back panel. Let's spice up our outfit with accessories, starting with footwear. Dive into the design library, search women and footwear, and drag your favorite pair onto the workspace. Trim away the excess, resize the front view, and ungroup for editing. Tweak the upper part first, followed by the sole of the sandals. Repeat for the back. Now, onto adding a hairstyle to our croquis. Grab one from the components pane, resize, and ungroup to place it on both body forms. Finally, throw in some extra flair with sunglasses. Search for the tags sunglass, drag it over, ungroup, resize, and perch it on body form at eye level. That's a wrap. Group everything together, head to design properties, add a name, description, and relevant tags. We're all about sharing, so consider making your work public for others to get inspired or repurpose. And there you have it, your design is ready to be saved. Step 3, render. Now get ready for the thrill. Navigate to your profile, access your saved designs, and open the view page of your masterpiece. Click on the magic wand icon to conjure up an AI image of your creation. Fine-tune the description, hit generate, and witness the enchantment unfold. Dive into the photorealistic image using the interactive bar. Feel free to experiment with different descriptions for the best results. Model B is here to whip up some wild ideas and add a touch of fun. Easily set or remove the image as your sketch cover. Download or bid farewell to these visual wonders as you see fit. That's how Repsketch elevates your vector design skills in the most user-friendly way. Check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks. Don't hesitate to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for embarking on this creative journey with us.